The STYL'ONE Evo WipCon is a high-containment execution of the STYL'ONE Evo compaction simulator. The integrated dedusting system further enhances operator safety. Controlled via the HMI and operating in a closed loop, it enables efficient dust removal from the compression zone without affecting isolator pressure. Powder dust removal is the first step of the cleaning process. Using a flexible vacuum wand and the adjustable suction flow of the system, dedusting can be performed in every corner of the isolator. Collected particles are captured in a separate filter, keeping the isolator clean. The second step of the cleaning process is the wash-in-place phase, also controlled by the HMI. Connectable to various cleaning solution sources, automatic or manual cleaning recipes can be configured by activating spray balls in a defined sequence to remove airborne particles. 2 additional spray guns can be used to remove residual particles from inside the isolator or the compression zone. Contaminated solutions are redirected through collection drains that can be connected to different waste evacuation systems. At the end of the cleaning cycle, water pipes can be purged and dried with compressed air to prevent liquid stagnation.